We are MATIC Network, and we are excited to announce that we are expanding our mission and becoming Polygon.
Polygon, 10 things you didn't know about this coin. Previously known as MATIC Network, Polygon is a framework for building interconnected blockchain networks. It seeks to address some of Ethereum's major limitations, including its throughput, poor user experience, high speed and delayed transactions, and lack of community governance. Using a novel sidechain solution, rather than being a simple scaling solution like its predecessor, MATIC Network, which uses a technology known as Plasma to process transactions off-chain before finalizing them on the Ethereum main chain. Polygon is designed to be an entire platform designed for launching interoperable blockchains. Through Polygon, developers can launch preset blockchain networks with attributes tailored to their needs. These can be further customized with a growing range of modules, which allow developers to create sovereign blockchains with more specific functionality. So, here's the 10 things you didn't know about this coin. By the way, make sure to click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our engaging videos and use that trigger finger by smashing that like button. Now, let's get into it. What is the Polygon blockchain? For the time being, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two most popular blockchains, but they are far from perfect. One of their biggest downfalls is that they are both plagued by high transaction fees due to congestion, as neither was built for the kind of traffic they're currently seeing. Polygon was designed to solve this problem by utilizing what are known as sidechains. Sidechains are blockchains separate from but compatible with Ethereum that exist to create alternative avenues for transactions and improve scalability. If you think of the main Ethereum blockchain as a highway, sidechains are side roads that can help unload some of the traffic on the main highway during rush hour. How does Polygon work? Polygon's architecture can best be defined as a 4-layer system composed of the Ethereum layer, security layer, Polygon networks layer, and execution layer. The Ethereum layer is essentially a set of smart contracts which are implemented on Ethereum. These smart contracts handle things like transaction finality, staking, and communication between Ethereum and the various Polygon chains. The security layer runs side by side with Ethereum and provides a validators as service role, which allows chains to benefit from an additional layer of security. Both the Ethereum and security layers are optional. Beyond this, there are two mandatory layers. The first is the Polygon networks layer, which is the ecosystem of blockchain networks built on Polygon. Each of these has its own community and is responsible for handling local consensus and producing blocks. The second is the execution layer, which is Polygon's Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) implementation used for executing smart contracts. Polygon, Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Polygon is designed to facilitate a future where different blockchains no longer operate as closed-off silos and proprietary communities, but instead as networks that fit into a broader interconnected landscape. Its long-term goal is to enable an open, borderless world in which users can seamlessly interact with decentralized products and services without first having to navigate through intermediaries or walled gardens. It aims to create a hub that different blockchains can easily plug into, while simultaneously overcoming some of their individual limitations, such as high fees, poor scalability, and limited security. Polygon intends to incorporate more than one scaling solution, in keeping with its goal of minimizing barriers to entry by attempting to reduce transaction fees to a bare minimum. The Polygon purpose. By definition, Polygon is a multi-chain network of sidechains, each of which serves a slightly different purpose, and all of which are compatible with Ethereum. In other words, Polygon is a bunch of side roads which Ethereum developers can use to more quickly and cheaply develop apps on the Ethereum blockchain. It's a very valuable network. The Polygon blockchain was originally called MATIC, hence MATIC being the token symbol, and it's one of the hottest cryptos in the market right now. Number 1. Most people who aren't following closely still think Ethereum 2.0 is years away, with Phase 1, 1.5, and 2 still to come. Number 2, the reality is that the community has pivoted fairly significantly and chosen a rollup-centric approach to scaling rather than complex computational sharding. Number 3, this is centered around two key technologies, optimistic and ZK snark-based rollups. Each have trade-offs. Number 4, both are complex and still require months more work to be fully scalable, although early primitives are performing well with impressive research progress by various teams. Number 5, MATIC is looked to use its sidechain architecture to bridge the gap while rollups build out and alongside XDAI have the most maturity and community support in this space. They also have some advantages over XDAI's trust model with their Plasma bridge. Number 6, projects like Optimism, Starknet, Loopring, etc. are amazing and are the cutting edge of L2, but they each have chosen a single technology path with trade-offs. Nobody is aggregating at the experience level, yet Zerion.io and others will attempt this, but as a third party. Number 7, It's early days for Polygon, but the possibility is that they can build volume and utility as a sidechain, and then integrate all the above technologies under a single wrapped wallet experience in the very near future. With each toolset deployed on the chain architecture and Ethereum's security model that fits it best, i.e. DEFI, gaming, NFT projects have inherently different requirements and can choose POA, POS, Optimism, ZK Snarks as needed. Number 8. A lot of execution risk remains, but to me this is the most coherent path forward to scaling Ethereum. Biggest question mark is on the role of the MATIC token and the value of governance type token, but it's not a complete red flag, just a concern. Number 9. Ethereum 2.0 still needs to be completed with the merge of 1.0 multiple one-times improvements and data sharding to improve scalability of the base chain, EIP 1559, etc. But the vision of Ethereum 2.0 is realizable today, largely through the implementation of a project like Polygons and others like it. Number 10. The biggest challenge with L2 lie in pooling liquidity across chains and abstracting the user experience to hide the complexity. Polygon price prediction. The 4-hour chart shows that the MATIC price dropped to 74 cents during the weekend. This was slightly below the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. On the 4-hour chart, the price has bounded back and is now slightly below the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. It has also moved slightly above the 25-day and 50-day exponential moving averages, EMA, and is a sign that bulls are gaining momentum. Therefore, a bullish trend will be confirmed if the currency manages to move more than 50% retracement at $1.51. However, another drop below 61.8% retracement level will invalidate this prediction. Is Polygon a good investment? Like all other cryptocurrency investments, you should only invest what you're willing to lose. While the cryptocurrency markets are well on its way to becoming mainstream, there are still many known and unknown risks. That said, as network congestion continues to plague users on Layer 1 networks, Layer 2 technologies like Polygon provide a great opportunity to participate in the ever-expanding world of decentralized finance without paying exorbitant transaction fees to miners. Investors should closely monitor the project that bring their smart contract capabilities to the Polygon network, as well as investigate the growth associated with their participation. Additionally, investors should be aware of competing Layer 2 solutions such as Polkadot and Binance Smart Chain, as cryptocurrency traders continue to look for scalable solutions to their blockchain-based needs. Risky, but worth considering once the dust settles. Polygon may benefit as an up-and-coming crypto in the trader cycle as Bitcoin becomes a dinosaur, but there's no guarantee that MATIC is safe from future declines. Cryptocurrencies could still move lower across the board as newcomers to this asset class may be scared off by the volatility. Additionally, while Polygon is growing in usage now, they may not be the case down the road, and is showing signs of peaking. There's going to be less interest in Polygon's native coin. How to buy Polygon, MATIC. The growing popularity of decentralized finance and NFTs has led to the largest blockchain networks becoming congested with transactions, resulting in high network fees. At peak usage, token swaps on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap ballooned to the equivalent of over $1,000 for a single transaction, a far cry from what retail traders have become accustomed to with zero-commission brokers. Developers of decentralized applications on the Ethereum network have been searching for alternatives to continue their project's growth. Polygon may be the solution they're looking for. So, what can you say about the Polygon coin? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we continue giving you the best content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.